We had some issues with our leaf spring today on our holiday trip. All right, northern tool for the win. We're getting there. All right, well, if you caught one of our shorts, you found out that we had some issues with our leaf spring today on our holiday trip. Rhonda and Bear over there. Hi, hon. So now we're trying to get set up, and then in the process try and figure out how we're going to get home with all this. So one thing at a time. All right, it is Saturday morning, Memorial Day weekend. So we're here now at Northern Tool. We're trying to find the leaf spring that broke on the trailer. Trying to find a replacement, so see what happens. Hopefully they've got it and we can get it installed and back on the road. So, well, luckily we're not leaving for a few days, so, but this being a holiday weekend, want to find the part as quickly as possible. All right, Northern Tool for the win. Quick, painless, and under $100 with the bolts, so hopefully we can keep this repair on the cheaper side. So we'll get back, try to get this thing installed, and let you know how it all goes. All right, so we are under the trailer now. We're trying to attempt to install the new spring. Northern Tool for the win. So we'll see how it goes. I don't know.
I'll help you.
It's okay.
I feel like I'm slacking.
No, you're fine. I'm just trying to figure out. We may need to drop this jack and then raise it up.
It should go in there.
You and your long ass arms.
The bolt should slide. There should be a hole in that.
In order to do that,
Or we can raise the camper. That'll line that bolt up over there. The bottle jack go up.
Just keep
and
going
that's
up.
Gonna drop. That's gonna drop the spindle.
I got you.
Because we got the axle all the way down. Yep. Hey, this is coming right into play over here. Look at
I know.
this.
We're getting there.
You might have to come down just a little bit on the trailer.
Yeah.
Come on, baby, line up. Line up for me, baby. Oh my God, Jim.
Holy shit!
Oh my God, Jim.
Did y'all do it?
Oh, we are mechanics. Son of a bitch, we're almost halfway home.
I tell you, when it all
Holy crap, this is awesome. This is fun now.
yeah, now when it's just down to tightening. We got the spring in and we should be good to go come Monday, so now we can enjoy the rest of the weekend. So as I said before, we're at a Jellystone resort in Tyler, Texas, hanging out with some friends. So here's our campground. Hope everybody has a great day. We'll talk to y'all later.